Sí, no, está. Y esas carretillas son re buenas.
Okay. Getting ready for your drugs.
Sorry.
Getting ready for your drugs.
Podríamos poner unos... Probemos con los tomates y después peppers acá. Así pongamos uno acá. Entonces puedes poner el siguiente. Entonces lo tomas hasta ahí y aprieta.
Just love it when she does gardening with her diamond rings on.
Sube y baja la temperatura. Planta se va a concentrar en las raíces.
And there's the culprit. Ciao, Frankie.
This was a project that we decided to start in this lovely garden patch. One of the gardeners who was from Chile, and he had similar ideas that he wanted to do these planters to put all these vegetables, and we thought it would be easier for us to manage. He just finished today. We have, again, these are red peppers, cherry tomatoes and bigger tomatoes, some yellow, some red. And then we have the bigger plants here, which are watermelons. Yes. And then we have butternut squash that we really like to eat. Seeds growing. So we did some the beginning of a little patch here just to test the soil and what could grow. But we left. We didn't enjoy the harvest.
Ah, I thought you said we didn't. I thought, okay.
Yeah, we didn't enjoy the harvest because we left before the vegetables were out, weren't they? But this came out this year, so it's a bit of sage, which is a lovely herb, and it looks like it's flowering. So I haven't seen that before.